Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on 5G on your iPhone running iOS 17. Whether you have an iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14 or the latest iPhone 15, I've got you covered, so let's get started. The steps are pretty similar across these iPhone models, so let's go through them. Start by opening the settings app on your iPhone and go to cellular. Tap on cellular data options. In the cellular data option, tap on voice and data. You'll see options like 5G on, 5G auto, and LTE. This will 5G on will always use 5G when it's available, providing the fastest speed but may use more battery. 5G auto, this balances 5G performance with battery life. It will only use 5G when it's needed. LTE, this switches to LTE only, which is useful if you want to save battery or if 5G coverage is weak on your area. And that's it. You've successfully turned on 5G on your iPhone 11, 12, 13 or 14 or 15 with iOS 17. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.